Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers and learners. You are warmly welcome to my channel Digital Schooling 1 to 10. And now we will start our next lesson, Waqf. Waqf means stop. We will start our lesson with dua. Uh, سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي وجل لي وزيرا من أهلي رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير وبك نستعين يا فتاح يا فتاح يا فتاح. Now we will start our lesson. Waqf means stop. In Qurani Kareem, we in fact we speak with Subhanahu wa Taala, and we cannot stop anywhere. Okay, so we will stop at the end of the sentence, which is called Ayaah. Okay, Ayaah or a round circle or round symbol is called Ayaah. Okay. So we will see here three types of ayah or three type of stop. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Here we stop in at the end of the sentence, which is end with हरकत. Okay, हरकत of कसरा. कसरा की हरकत पर ये ख़त्म हो रही है, सेंटेंस एंड हो रहा है आय पर. ठीक है. फर्स्ट इज टू स्टॉप ऑन हरकत और टू स्टॉप at the end of the haraka. Okay. When we stop with a harka or harkat, the last alphabet we will stop it. Okay, we will stop it. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. رجيم. We will stop meme. Okay, like that. قل هو الله أحد. أحد. من خوف. من خوف. Okay. وجنات ألفافا. Due to this alif, tanween will remove its one fatha. Okay. Fa zabar fa. Okay. Alfa fa. We will not say alfa. Alfa. We will not say alfa due to this alif. Okay. When alif is present and on any ayah, you will say alfa fa. One fatha will be pronounced. Okay. One fatha will be read. Okay. And first is harkat stop, second is due to alif, one fatha is pronounced or verb fatha will be read. Okay, alfa fun, not alfa fun, alfa fa, due to this alif. Okay. Like that, these are the two type of stop, and the third one is uh, ज़ा ज़ाल रो पेश ज़ुर रो या जे री या ज़बर या ज़ुर्रिया तादो ज़बर तन ज़ुर्रियतन तो या ज़बर तोय या ज़ेर जी तोयी बा ज़बर बा तोयी बा तादो ज़बर तन. ओके. तोय्यिबतन ज़ुर्रियतन तोय्यिबतन. Third type of stop is ta will be changed into ha. Tayyibah. Tayyibatan. On the stop or on the ayah, when we will stop here, tayyibah. Okay, these three kinds of um, waqf or three kind of stop we will see on our next video, inshallah, on Qurani Kareem. Today you will have to remember, or you will have to repeat, learn it three type of ayah. Okay, in the beginning. This is your today lesson, and you will have to repeat it again and again to keep in your mind. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe my video to motivate me. If you want to join a live class, you will be appreciated. In You can uh, you can send your request in comment box. Okay. Now we end our lesson with dua. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.